little animal parade. A bunny hops on grassy ground, so soft and quiet without a sound. A puppy runs and wags his tail, leaving tiny prints along the trail. A kitten purrs in warm sunshine with gentle paws so small